Well, hi guys. Okay, let's do an update video. So I'm in the train room. I'm actually running my RDC Rapido locomotive that I got from my mystery box from Rapido. So I have been away for a couple of weeks for our family Thanksgiving. But now I'm back, work on the layout. I made a few changes, additions to the layout. Before I went away, I built some storage shelves and bracing for the peninsula. I will link a couple of pictures to that because it's too low for the camera. I made that. I also made another brace on the other side that will be the location for all the electronics and the command station, all that kind of stuff. It'll be over on this side where I'm standing, right below this. So I also I added another leg on the other side. Main purpose is to give some stability, but also keep a storage cabinet from moving out of its way. So I did that, and I built the next section for the staging yard. I'm going to take the camera down to that because right now the section is removed. So let's go for a little stroll, and I'll pause this camera, and I will turn it around, and we'll get some video of that. So hang on. Okay, guys, you can see the removable lift gate is sitting on the track. So I'm not sure if I'll see how it goes, but I got the camera pointing. I'm gonna go and install. I'm gonna raise the swing gate like that, and we'll drop it down, and we'll go put it in. So I've used the dowel pins from DCC Concepts, and these are powered, just like that. And I have a shelf for here. This is not fastened down yet. And like that. Now I take this part out. These pieces of wood here that I'm using, these are wood that I saved from my original layout. They're actually a part of the staging yard that I built but never finished. So I have incorporated some material from that layout into this layout. And it's locked in. It's pretty level. And we're going to have, from this point here, there's 11 feet of double track to the wall. The double crossover is going to go here. I also going to put a plug on this wall here and bring the bus line straight through to this section here eventually. I've also finished off this curve into the benchwork. The next step is I'm drilling holes for electrical in this area here, and then I'm going to install the plywood top on this corner, and I'll get this whole corner to be all finished. But it's progress. And I'm going to turn the camera around shortly, and you can see my little RDC locomotive. And that comes up just like that. You can see the pins right there. And I haven't done much to the lift gate other than put a steel bar to hold it from going over too far. And it swings down. Just rotate this camera around toward my temporary low oval. So the track's a little dirty, so I had to run it a few times to get the dirt out of it. And this is BC Rail, RDC as they call it. But it's a train line. But you can see down, I'll tilt the camera, you can see down there that's where I put the shelving unit bracing. It's going to give me bracing and a place to mount the command station. And I've added plywood into that corner in the alcove. I cut that. It's not fastened down yet, but I did do that. I'm working on some modification to my computer stand, make it a little bit easier. And yeah, so that's where I is. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, so tomorrow night, 7 o'clock on my channel, we go live. And I'll be in this space here. I'll run a train, not sure which one I'm going to run, because I haven't decided if I want to hook up my DC system to this temporary track. I might decide that tomorrow. And see, run some DCC stuff. Maybe unbox some trains and see what I can run on. We'll do that tomorrow night. But it's progress. I got most of the plywood now here for the deck. I got a stack over there in the corner, and I got a stack over here on the opposite side of this camera. So it's progress. And my little train is still running. I don't know if you saw this, but I did mount these shelves up here on the wall here. My steel mill is above there. That's where it's going. That's just home for now. Or display. Well, that's where we are now. But more work to come. I gotta do some wiring for power for the train room. I'm gonna work on it this week. Get that fired up so I'll have power for the staging yard track and power for a workbench on the other side. I've also added a work zone on the other side too. I'll show you that shortly. Let me pause. So there's my new work zone I'm working on. And the staging track is going to be just above that level actually from this point here. You can tilt it down here, you can see there. So the staging track is going to run all the way to that corner. And from this point here, from here to that corner over there, that's 11 feet. And my famous double crossover is going to go right here with 4 switch machines installed. Now, I haven't decided how I'm going to control those yet. I'm working on a couple ideas. One, using my DCC power NC power cab. Now, I did hear a rumor that there's an issue with the decoders on the Walters switch machine, that when you turn the power off, they lose their address. So I'm not sure how, because I've never done it before, so it's something I'll have to look into in detail. I'm also looking at wiring a push button station on the other side of the layout from this point. It's only about 15 feet, so I'm not sure if I can run those push buttons with 15 feet of control wire. But we're going to find out. I have enough cables to stick it together and do a test. we'll do a video on that too, testing them out when I get this hooked up. But yeah, progress. I mounted my clock too. I've had that for a while. It's up in the wall there. Don't get too teased that I move you around. And I'll turn. There's no overall view of the room from this end. And the lift gate is up. Actually, both gates are up. I still got to install the power dowels on that other side yet. I haven't done that yet. I need two more powered and 2 non-powered. And I have the non-powered. It came with the drill kit. But yeah, it's hope you're running train soon. But it does look decent now. I'm getting more organized. Unpack some things more. This is the RDC. Not a bad locomotive. That was in the Rapido mystery box. First time running in the train room. I haven't decided about this track. I might suspend it in the ceiling and elevate it to run DC. We'll see. We'll see what I figure a way of mounting in the ceiling. But for now, it'll be stored here for now. Well, that's it, guys. This is the Dundas Junction Model Railroad. Signing out. Just remember, tomorrow, 7 p.m., my channel, Monday, Off Track Monday. Oh yeah, remember, if you like it, subscribe it. Mike says, doesn't cost a dime. And all I can say is, as Mike always says, keep it on the tracks. Don't fall off. If you fall off, make sure you got a cushion for your butt. Well, that's it, guys. We'll see you tomorrow night. And I will see if I can get this video edited, uploaded tonight. But thanks, guys. I really appreciate your support. And we carry on. Have a great night. Bye for now.